maybe I have an exhaust leak, you know, because these are known to have an exhaust leak. Well, if you look here, someone replaced that bolt and put cheap ass gaskets in it, okay? Which is just dumb. Multiple steel layer gaskets is what you want to use, OEM, and they'll work just fine. You get yourself your shop vac, tape roll up there, planer's tape, okay? And then start it going, okay? Yourself a flashlight. You need a squirt bottle too. In this squirt bottle, you're just simply squirting it anywhere where you might think there's an exhaust leak. The soap bubbles, you found your exhaust leak. And then you can find your exhaust leak, and that's clearly where my exhaust leak is. Some idiot put perforated gaskets on my LS. What a dumbass. What a fucking dumbass.